Hi, it's Miss Todoric. I just wanted to say thank you to Applebee's. I had a student who recently just won this contest. It was an essay contest. He wrote 500 words nominating a teacher. So thank you. And I also wanted to say thanks to all my students who competed. Everyone did a great job. You can see with the old YouTube shorts that I created, we probably submitted over 50 essays to this contest. There's a huge bulletin board in the classroom with everyone's essay, and it was fun. It was a great experience. If you are a teacher and you're watching this, every year I would definitely apply, take part in the Applebee's essay contest. It was fun. And once again, congratulations, Donald. Till next time. Bye.
Do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. Whenever me and Gale do the remix, everybody hands go up. Hey, showtime, and they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. We the best music, and if you go in, I'm going in. Sitting on the top floor, what you think I'm hot for? Every summer drop mode, hits to make my stock go up. Them hands go up, the bands go up. I'm number one in this bitch and I'ma stay there. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it and my folks locked down.
Big shout out to Donald. Congratulations. Your essay won the teacher essay contest of 2025. So big shout out. Congratulations. Big shout out to you, Donald. Your essay was amazing.
That was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out of Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a